Hi, I'm Terry. I've lost 175 pounds with keto and carnivore. Thank you for watching. I'm going to make some rutabaga soup. I've made it before. I've got onions and ghee in here. Just sauteing a little bit. I'm going to add a little salt and a little no salt. Hold up. So a little no salt, which is just potassium, and some regular salt. And I'm just going to saute this till the onions get golden brown. They're getting there, but... And I'm going to do just a smidge of... just a dash of balsamic vinegar. I don't know, it's a few sprinkles. You can tell whenever I've been watching my chef Jean-Pierre, I've changed things up. Yeah. Anyway, I'll put a little dash of that. Now I'm going to saute this and I'll be back. I'm going to add 70 grams of bacon pieces. And I'm going to saute this up a little bit. And I'll get back to you. Okay, I'm digging that texture. Now we're going to move over to the other side of the room. Alright, so I'm going to add, it is 790 grams of the chicken broth. I may have had it today. Maybe, let's see if it's that much. Hang on, where's my thing? Just a second here. Now I gotta see how much is left. Hang on. Okay, so it's 514 grams of broth in here. And so now I'm going to add our bacon and onion jam. And in the spirit of keeping this similar to a potato soup, we have, instead of cream, heavy cream, we're going to add sour cream. And this is 200 grams of sour cream. Okay. Kind of rinse it off down there. No, buddy, you can't have this. Sorry. Nope. Right. Now, I'm going to kind of chop it up a little bit, and then I'm going to break out my immersion blender. But first I'm going to kind of chop it up a little bit more and mix it up together. This crock pot might be too small, so it might be a hot mess, but I'm going to find out one way or the other. It's pretty thick. It's a lot like mashed potatoes. In my brain, I wanted soup. So let's just take a spoon out and see what we think. Hang on. I like it. It does need, there's no, I didn't put any garlic or salt in there. So let's put in, probably going to take a lot, but let's put in some of this Pauladine silly salt. It's getting the garlic and the salt. Okay, now I'm going to run this again. Let's see. That's good. I want to see if I got enough in it. If I got it all mixed in right, so hang on. Okay, now we're going to add some cheese, so hold on. Here's the cheese we're going to add. I've got 3 servings weighed out, which is 84 grams, and I need to write that down. Cheese, 84 grams. Okay, so we're going to put this in here, and then I'm going to go back to mixing it up. Again, we're thinking like cheesy baked potato with bacon and cheese. Let's see. Yeah, right there. Nothing else. Nothing else. That's the good stuff. So let me beat this off. Hold on. All right. And then we're going to figure out how many servings I should make with this. And I don't really know. So I'm going to go plug it all into Cronometer and I'll tell you how many we need to make. All right. We got 8 servings. And each servings is 189 calories. 10.9 grams of protein, 18.7 grams of carbs, and 9 grams of fat. So I'll figure out how I'm going to label these, like what I'm going to label them with, and I'm going to get them put away. But yeah, so there we go. Rutabaga, loaded rutabaga mash. Remember when I lied and told you the macros? Well, I forgot there was sour cream in here. So it's 222 calories, 11.7 protein, 20.4 carbs, and 11.1 fat. If I were to do this again, I would leave the sour cream out. It takes away the sweetness of the rutabaga. It's still good, I'll still eat it. But rutabaga has this naturally sweet flavor. And so the sour cream kind of took that sweetness away. So, like I said, I'm definitely going to keep eating them. But next time, I would say don't add the sour cream. Maybe yogurt or something, but not sour cream. Okay, now I'm done. Goodbye.